Welcome to this WebStarts review, where I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about this website builder. WebStarts is a drag-and-drop platform designed for users who want to create professional websites without touching any code. Whether you're a business owner, a blogger, or just want to set up a personal website, WebStarts makes the process easy with a variety of templates and customization options. When you first sign up, you're greeted with an intuitive interface that immediately makes it clear how to start building your website. The platform is organized into sections for easy navigation. The first thing you'll notice is how accessible the drag-and-drop editor is. You can simply drag elements like text boxes, images, and buttons to different parts of your page, making the design process feel like a breeze. One of the best features of WebStarts is its vast selection of templates. Whether you're looking to create a business website, portfolio, or blog, there are plenty of pre-designed templates to choose from. You can further customize them with the intuitive editing tools. It's also easy to add different elements like forms, contact pages, and social media integration, which really makes this platform versatile. In terms of performance, WebStarts offers reliable hosting with fast load times. It also includes SSL security, which is crucial for keeping your site safe and trustworthy for visitors. The platform has flexible pricing options, including a free plan, but for additional features, like connecting your domain or removing ads, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to check them out after watching the video. I'll also show you how to integrate WebStarts with other tools, like Google Analytics and social media platforms, to make your website even more powerful. Overall, WebStarts offers an easy, user-friendly experience for creating a website, but it's important to consider your specific needs to determine if it's the best choice for you. If you're looking for an easy-to-use website builder with plenty of customization options, WebStarts is definitely worth trying. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this one.